Good morning, people, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you are watching me, people. Today, we're gonna be busy. Snow is coming in tomorrow, so we have to get everything ready. So I got all the shop over there. We had to take everything out. We had to put all the walls and everything up today because I'm getting salt tomorrow. So I need to get this shit going, otherwise the snow is gonna be coming with my underwear down. Oh shit, people. Well, the hose that broke, it was on Friday, and today's already Monday, but I almost have a whole, more than a gallon of spill on the ground, so that means they're gonna have to get oil too, because one of the hoses broke. So I got a hose right here. So let's go and get it fixed, because this shit does not gonna fit by it. Alright, people, well, we are going at it. I got Seth right here taking all this equipment out. I got Austin taking the walls out of the dump truck because we had to put a salter on it. So all this has to be coming out, and this wall right here is coming out. So we got the hose fixed on the skid steer. Now we have to put oil on it. It's a lot of oil that spill, so something that I have to get it fixed. The S70 needs the battery charge, but at least I put the hose. It's nice and done. Yeah.
In the grass?
No, not in the grass. That's bio. Oh, shit, people. Well, now I'm gonna head out and get some filters for the van track, filters for the S70, because all that shit has to be changed today. So today, guys, it's gonna be a doozy. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Oh shit, people, I made it to Town and Country. It's far away. This is why I don't come to this dealer that much. This is where the van track, where I purchased the van track. It is far away, so this is why I'm buying the oils and the filters and all that stuff in here, and I do it myself because I am driving this shit again. It's too far. It's too far, and I like to be within 5 minutes of where I am. Oh shit, people, this is just crazy. I bought, this is what I got. I got 3 oil filters. These 2 are for hydraulics, and this is for the motor. The black one is for the motor. And I got these 2 hydraulic oil for the van track. This is what I spent, people. This is what I spent. Crazy. Oh shit, people, now I'm at Bobcat Plus. This is the Bobcat dealer. I'm gonna get some oil filters too for the S70. So we'll see how much I'm gonna be spending on that one. But look at this machine. Wow. Cool. At 190. I'm assuming 62 feet high. I wonder how much that shit costs. Probably a couple of grands. Oh shit, people. Well, I spent this one. I got 3 filters right here. 3 filters. And the motor oil for the Bobcat, $130.
Oh shit. Today we're going to be changing multi-course from the summer stuff to the winter stuff. So that means we're going to be taking this stuff off and we're going to be putting the winter attachments onto it. I have the deck lowered onto some plywood to make it easier to move later. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this belt off.
So this is
All right, now we're getting ready to put the high flow onto the multi-force. In order to get that on, you have to attach this mounting bracket onto the multi-force, which I'm about to do. I have all the bolts here and the other piece of it right here. Okay, so I put this bracket on, I put the plate on this side, and I left it loose so that way this could move side to side. And I got Austin's help, and we took the high flow and we put it on this and this here. It took a bit of finagling. You have to move this back and forth until this and this are aligned. Yeah, that's that on. I'm gonna add that, tighten these up now that these are on. Now the next step is to put the belt, or route the belt to where it needs to go. So first thing it's gonna wrap around here. And then you're gonna wanna bring this piece out here. It's gonna wrap this way around it, and then it's gonna come all the way around this one. So I ended up getting Austin's help again. He took a ratchet and put it on this top bolt, and he pulled this pulley that way. And when he did that, I wrapped the belt around, and this is what it looks like. So now that's all done, and we're gonna move on to the front here. I have to take it off of the jack, and I gotta take this off, I believe, and put this one on. I'll show you what I end up doing with this, but I already put this on. There's a empty square here, you just slide it right in. I have this pulled out for when we attach the blower, and this pin just goes in like that. So I actually had the wrong piece on right here, so I put the correct piece on, but we're missing a bolt that goes right here. We're not worried about that right now though. I took the summer wheels off of the multi-force, and now I'm gonna be putting the winter wheels on. Right here for the wheel weights. So I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. So we just got the snow blower put on. To get it on, you have to fasten the bolts on the black mount. Put that in there and connect the hydraulics.
Bájala, bájala. Sigue. Bájala. 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 Sigue, bájala. Ahí. Yeah. Oh shit, people, we are not done. We're still here, and I'm gonna tell you what time it is. It is. Oh shit, people, we are not done. We still had to move the S70. It was not working. The battery's dead, but we had to move these things right here. All this, but these pliers of wood, all that is gonna go over here because we're getting salt tomorrow, so we're gonna have to get cracking. Oh shit, people, we just finished. It is, man, it is late. It is right now 6:50, and I got one of the trucks inside. I got my sidewalk equipment here. I got sidewalk salt in here, and I got the wall prep already. for salting tomorrow. So people, thank you for watching. And if you never see me on snow event, you better pay attention, people, because this shit about to get real. People, remember to follow me live. Remember that the YouTube guys, they always like when you give me the thumbs up. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next